Hello guys, and welcome to another video of Neil Gonzalez forecast of the thing. So you can see it's 11 millibars of the snow, how much pressure it is. Pressure is 2211 millibars. It's you see FAS, it says fast, so that stands for how long this will stay here. So if it says anything that says fast, that means it will be staying here for a long time, then like it did like Tuesday, because it's gonna be raining and snowing mixed together, but right now it's still snowing. I'm gonna show you the pressure. This is where it started forming. It started forming at 7 o'clock. At 8 there was an alarm because the weather alert is now into weather conditions. Let me show you what time it is. The time is 11:23. And yeah. And today's Saturday. See, today's Saturday. This is my watch. This is for the weather, and this is a very strong, heavy-duty watch. This is just in case all this stuff. I can't chase the storm today because it will be snowing way too much on the upper. It will be 8 to 14 inches on New England. We can't chase it there because the airplanes there are some airplanes that goes to New England. They're not going to work. So we're going to probably stay here, and we are staying here now because we have this snow, and it will be very heavy rain, then heavy snow. When 1 p.m. starts, it's going to get worse. See, I'm going to show you the other side, so hold on. As you can see, let's take this thing out. The heater is on. Snow is covered. Tuesday it wasn't covering, but now, when Saturday came, we started having this trouble here. Hold on, let me. There you go. Now you can see more snow. Now it's snowing a lot, and I'm not playing, but it's a bit of snow, but it will be a lot of bit of snow today. Let me show you a closer look. See all that snow. It's ugly, ugly weather today. Look, it covered the whole thing. See? It covered the whole thing. Look at this. Cover the whole thing. We're in the center, so it's very deadly. And yeah. Neil, what? Where's my camera? Oh, your camera? It's in the it's in your mom's room. You heard? Oh, it's in my mom's room. Oh, okay. The door is locked. What? The door is locked. Well, it's okay. Don't worry about it. See, it's snowing a lot. It's becoming just like Christmas. And now fall is now falling to, winter. It's not winter yet. Next Saturday it will be winter, and it will be stronger. So people, you have to be careful with cold front typhoon. It's not a super typhoon. Just like I say, it's not Typhoon Haiyan hitting here. It's a super typhoon that's bringing strong cold days. And yes, it doesn't feel 40 degrees. It feels like it's windy outside. It's blowing winds a lot. The winds are right now up to 8 miles per hour. And yeah. So I hope you guys liked this video, and bye. To be concluded, so we can look at what happens when 1 p.m. start. And yeah.